Hello guys, hello everybody. Today is the 5 May 2018 and a short review from me. My name is Sergey and a short review of the cryptocurrency, how to get a free cryptocurrency tokens of the futures project. Most projects are going to be sent you after ICO on your Ethereum wallet tokens. But before that you need to do some task. When you've done some task, the developers which are Brightless gonna be send you and share with the tokens. It's another advantages is it's most all tokens it has referral links. Referral links, what it means, it's gonna be make extra income, extra money if you share by this link, and actually that's it. You didn't lose anything if you try that and get extra money. So there is actually no risk, guys. Okay. So it's only two-way. It's gonna be the developer's gonna be sending you tokens, or you didn't receive these tokens at all. So okay, but anyway, hope so. This token's gonna be good in the future, and most tokens I got on the Ethereum wallet. I done that in the previous video before. So another things, guys, I would like to recommend you a couple trade market, full decentralized trade market, which is going to be launched on the next month. On the next month, that's first one is the DEX V1, which is going to be make on the smart engine, trading engine. On the high risk of security, is going to be very hard to break down your own wallet, and it's very hard to move actually your funds from, and so it's gonna be most like a high risk secure. So it's gonna be very positive for the most traders, for the all customers, holders, or whatever. Another is trade market is coming soon as well. It's called Altcoin, down below this video. So there is a decentralized exchange Altcoin. That's the name of the trade market. Now is they have a beta variation, and you're gonna be download and deposit and withdraw money, and just how it's look like. You're gonna be down below. Just you press on the link and just gonna be check how it's look with the decentralized trade market. The most decentralized market gonna be in the future, because they have advantages. The first of all, that's a full decentralized. That's mean nobody didn't know how much you money have, how much money you deposit, how much money you withdraw, how much money you make on any cryptocurrency, how much money you make X, like 10 or hundreds, wherever, if you buy some tokens. Decentralized market is have private security, and so not that much. Nobody didn't know how much you have. Alright. Another thing, so the centralized trade market advantages is the high risk of the breakdown and stolen your money, your phones. So that's very important, I think. So one of the important things, because for the last year it was so many trade markets was breakdown, and just so many people was robbed by the hackers. Okay, so you're gonna be pressed on the link and just check the all information about that. Okay, guys, for today the first token is Airdrop BMT. You go on the link, just go on the boat and join to Telegram, just get for that 25 tokens. The next token is Airdrop ARTX. You go on the link, get 80 tokens. Second round of Airdrop OBR. I done that before in the previous video. You go on the boat, get the task and get 1,000 tokens and drop DC. You do the task by the form, so you get 3 tokens Airdrop HGT. Go on the link, get 200 tokens Airdrop ENAI. So go on the link, just enter the email and address of your Ethereum wallet, click the button, get 320 tokens Airdrop Atomix. Just done everything, 350 tokens Airdrop Lokia. You go on the link, just press and just enter your Ethereum wallet, press the button, get 67 tokens Airdrop KYAI, get 1,200 tokens Airdrop KPR. You done everything. Invite your friend, just get extra tokens. So Airdrop ENC, you get 9,999. So it looks so strange. So you're gonna send it, it's gonna be good. So Airdrop STC, that's you get 330 tokens. So down below this video, guys, it's previous links on that previous airdrop. So if this video was useful for you guys, so just add me on Facebook, Twitter, or find me. I subscribe on the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.